Hello my dear friends. Years ago when I came into the insurance industry, there used to be insurance agents. Years later I told them that you should move from being an insurance agent to an insurance advisor. Years later I told them to move from being an insurance advisor to a financial advisor. Years later, nowadays I keep telling insurance people that you have to be a life advisor. What's the difference between an agent, life insurance agent and a life insurance advisor and a financial advisor and a life advisor? Well, it's simple, that an insurance agent only has knowledge about his company. And he may be working for any organization. It could be LIC, it could be Birla Sun Life, it could be New York Life, it could be, it could be Standard Life, HDFC Standard Life, or any insurance company of the 40 insurance companies that are there in India. An agent only knows about his company and his company's product. A life insurance advisor knows not only about his company, but he knows about all the possible companies that are there in the industry. When you go to the third level, which is known as the financial advisor, the financial advisor not only has idea about insurance, but he has he has idea about all the products, the financial products. Now that could be fixed deposit, it could be insurance, it could be equity, it could be mutual funds, it could be derivatives, it could be hedging, it could be any kind of thing. And it could be any and every kind of financial services products that are there. So that is how you become a financial advisor. You have the bandwidth to speak about financial services. But the whole world, my dear friends, has moved on. Because now, all that information that a financial advisor can have about all the financial products are now available on the net, and you also get with policybazaar.com and other kind of products, you get comparisons. So the customer is far more knowledgeable than you are, and before you go he has already done his study and he's already made up his mind. So actually, even being a financial advisor is going to be a big difficulty for you if you have to survive and forget about thriving otherwise. So, you have to move one level above, and that is known as a life advisor. A life advisor, one of the things that a life advisor does is advising on financial services. So it is one of the smallest component of his entire existence as a professional. According to me, a life advisor is a person who has the ability, the intensity and the insight to advise a human being or a group of human beings about life in general. So he can advise you on your business, he can advise you on finance, he can advise you on life, he can advise you on your wife, or he can advise you on your husband or your girlfriend or any issue that is there. Such is the magnanimity of this concept called the life advisor. Throughout the last many years, our endeavor at Training Gurukul, a company which is dedicated to the cause of insurance advisors, from agents to advisors to financial advisors to life advisor, our endeavor has been that of a visionary organization, bringing to you products and services which can transform you to move to the next level. So each of the CD that are there in the insurance business that we have built, there are hundreds and hundreds of CDs that we have made.